Hey everyone, in this video I'll be talking about Ai LiLi. I'll give a high-level overview of what Ai LiLi is, what it does for you, and how you can get started using it in a step-by-step walkthrough. A timeline of the video is also included down below, so feel free to skip ahead whenever you want. So what's Ai LiLi? In a nutshell, Ai LiLi gives personalities to your NFTs and allows you to chat with them on Discord. For example, if you have a Bored Ape in your wallet, you can use Ai LiLi to generate personality for the Bored Ape based on what it's wearing, for example. Once that's done, you can then chat with your Bored Ape on Discord and talk about pretty much whatever you want. If you don't happen to have any NFTs in your wallet, or you simply want to talk to somebody new, you can also create new NFTs with custom personalities and talk with them through Ai LiLi. For example, if I want to talk to my favorite anime character JoJo, I can tell Ai LiLi what JoJo's personality is like and enjoy a conversation with them. Another thing you can do with Ai LiLi is to invite your friends and a bunch of NFTs into the same group chat and share the fun together. So if all this sounds interesting to you, you can get started with Ai LiLi by going to our landing page at ailili.app. You can also click on the link down below in the description box to get there. So let's get started. On the landing page, you'll see two buttons near the bottom of the page. These are the two different options for how you can use Ai LiLi. For Discord server admins that manage your own servers, you can click the first button to install the Ai LiLi Discord bot and allows members in your community to use Ai LiLi in your own server. If you're a regular Discord user that don't manage any servers yourselves, or you simply want to check things out before installing Ai LiLi in your own server, you can click on the second button and join Ai LiLi's official Discord server, where everything's already set up for you. For simplicity, let's go with the second option for now and join Ai LiLi's official Discord server. We'll come back to how to install Ai LiLi in your own server in a later part of the video. So once you click on the second button, you'll be invited to join Ai LiLi's official community on Discord. On the invitation page that shows up, you can simply click the accept invite button and join the server. Once you're in the server, you can then start exploring the server and check things out on your own. On the left, you'll see all the channels available to you and a few different categories. The Start Here section gives you some overall overview of the roles of the server and an overview for how to get started. And this is also where you can create personalities for your NFTs, and we'll come back to this section later. The Soul Gallery section is where you can talk to your NFTs once they receive their personalities. You can also talk to NFTs created by other users and check out what's being built in the community. There's also this town hall section where you can talk to everyone in the server. And this is also where the admins will hang out. So if you happen to have any questions or feedback for us, feel free to shoot us a message too. Now let's get started with creating personalities for our NFTs. Once you navigate to the Start channel under the Start Here category, you'll see a welcome message that basically talks about what Ai LiLi does, the commands available for you to use, and there's also these two buttons down below that allows you to either create personalities for the NFTs in your wallet by injecting souls into your NFTs, or create brand new NFTs with custom personalities like we talked about through the Create New Soul button. Let me first show you how to create brand new NFTs with custom personalities, since not everyone owns an NFTs already, and the process is also a little bit easier. To create a new NFT with custom personality, click the Create New Soul button on the right. Once you do, a modal will pop up asking for information about the soul you want to create. Let's say we want to create a soul for Naruto, another one of my favorite anime character. So for name, I'll type in Naruto. For avatar image, I'll give it a URL for the image that I want Naruto to use as his profile picture. So I've already Googled and found a profile picture I want to use. So I just right click, copy image address, and paste that in. So here I'm just pasting in the URL for an image I found online. But if you want to upload an image from your computer, a quick hack for you is to just first upload it to Discord and then grab its URL from there, and then you can paste it in here. And for personality for Naruto, I'll just copy and paste what I found on Wikipedia. Cool. So really, you can type in whatever you want for the personality, and you can also be really thorough in your personality description if you want, as long as it's under 4,000 character word limit. Finally, there's also this catchphrase field that tells Ai LiLi if there's certain phrase or sentence that your character likes to repeat a lot when they speak. But this is entirely optional, and I'll just leave it blank for now. Once I've filled out the form, I can then go ahead and hit the submit button down below. And if everything goes well, if you scroll down a bit, you can see the success message for the soul that I just created. So this message tells me that Ai LiLi has successfully created a new soul for me, and it also comes with instructions on how to start talking to it. So once you see this message, you can then head to the Soul Talk channel under Ai LiLi Town Hall, and then start talking to your soul using the activate command. Let's actually head to a different channel for now. Looks like we don't have the permission set up for this properly. Just that. Let's go to the GM channel for now, and I'll show you how things work. So, like I said, you can use the activate command by typing in the slash activate, and if you just click on this, and then tell it the soul that you want to talk to. So we want to talk to Naruto. Here you can see all the other souls that I have. It does come with autocomplete so that you don't forget the souls that you own. But yeah, for now let's just talk to Naruto and type in enter. After a few seconds, you can then see that Naruto has been activated in the channel, and you can now chat. So, hey Naruto, and then Naruto will respond to whatever you say to him, and you guys can have a conversation. You'll see that the avatar image has been updated to the image that I pasted in, and then the name is also Naruto. So yeah, you can enjoy your conversation from there. At the moment, a channel like this, like GM, is a little bit chaotic. I think that's why we locked the Soul Talk channel, because as you can see, it used to be that everyone could invite their own bot by typing the activate command in this channel. So this channel will be having a bunch of NFT bots, and every time you're typing a new message, all the bots would respond. So it's a little bit chaotic at the moment, and I think that's why we locked it up for now. But in the future, to make things easier, we are planning on releasing a new feature in the next few days, so that every time you create a new soul in the start channel, a new private channel dedicated to that soul will be automatically created for you under the Soul Gallery section. That private channel will be available only to you, so you'll be able to talk to your NFTs in peace without disturbance from other bots or other users. And for this feature, you can join our community and stay tuned. And that's about it for talking to your NFTs. And if for some reasons you want to stop talking to your NFTs, let's say Naruto is getting too spammy and I want him to stop talking in the GM channel, I can also type the deactivate command to stop Naruto from talking. So let's say deactivate Naruto. And once I send out that command and everything succeeds, then hello Naruto, then Naruto should stop responding in this channel. And as you can see, I no longer get any responses from Naruto after disabling Naruto in this channel. And if for some reasons you also want to check out the list of all the souls that you have, because maybe you happen to have a lot of souls, you can also use the souls command to list all the souls you can talk to. And once you type in this command, it's going to show you all the souls you have, all the active souls that are set to be currently talking in this channel, all the inactive souls, which are the souls that you have but you haven't activated and they're not responding in this channel yet. So this gives you an overview of all the souls you have if you want to check them out and manage them. But yeah, that's basically everything you need to know to chat with your custom NFTs. And now for those interested, let's go back to how to talk to NFTs in your crypto wallet if you happen to have any NFTs in your crypto wallet. So to do that, we can go back to the start channel and click on the first button, inject souls into my NFTs. So once you do so, you can scroll down and see a message that pops up. This message basically asks you to connect your wallet on Ai LiLi's website. Ai LiLi can't talk to your crypto wallet on Discord, so you must connect your wallet on Ai LiLi's website for Ai LiLi to know which NFTs you hold in your wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button and click on Authorize to share your Discord ID with Ai LiLi so that Ai LiLi knows how to link your NFTs to your Discord ID once you connected your wallet. So let's just hit Authorize. Now, once you do, you'll be redirected to Ai LiLi's website again. And then you can click the button below that says Connect Wallet to connect your wallet. And for me, I'll be using MetaMask for this demo. So let's click on that. And once your wallet is connected, you'll be shown a list of all the NFTs that you own in your wallet. Ai LiLi currently supports Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum, and Optimism. So if you hold any NFTs in any of those chains, they should all be displayed here. On this page, you can select the NFT you want to talk to by clicking on it. I only have one NFT in this wallet, so I'll just click on it. On the modal that pops up, I'll then need to click Inject Soul on the bottom of the page to give this NFT a personality on Ai LiLi. So once I do a signature request for my crypto wallet, it's gonna pop up basically saying and verifying that, hey, my Discord ID is this and this, and I'm now injecting a soul into the NFT that I selected with the correct contract address and the network that it's on. So you'll need to sign this message and send and the app's gonna send the signature to Ai LiLi server for verification, and you'll just need to wait a few seconds for it to succeed. Um, so note that unlike in the custom personality uh, creation that we just did for Naruto, here you don't need to type in anything for the NFT, since the name's already there for you, and then we're also automatically generating the personality for the NFT based on its collection and its attributes. For example, like the hat it's wearing, um, its facial expression, etc. We do have those information. We pull those in for you, and we create a personality description based on those automatically. So you don't need to fill in anything here for the wallet for the wallet NFTs that you hold in your crypto wallet. And once everything goes through, you'll see a success message telling you that you can use the send activate command to start talking to your NFT, and you can also send the NFT a direct message by clicking on um, the bottom below. So this is gonna take you to DM with Ai LiLi, but in the future, I think we're gonna change it to the Soul Gallery channel that I talked about earlier. But yeah, from here on, everything else is gonna be the same as what we did with Naruto. You can go to once you open up the Soul Talk channel, you can come here and activate um, the NFT that you just created. But for now, for demonstration, let's just go to GM and do activate. I think it's called Gummy Bear 6312. So click on this and hit enter. And I should be getting a message from Gummy Bear soon. So cool. Yeah, I'm Gummy Bear. And that's everything you need to know for injecting souls into your NFTs. Basically meaning creating personalities for the NFTs in your wallet. And you can also use the same deactivate and souls commands to manage the NFTs in your wallet, just like what we did with Naruto. And yeah, that's everything you need to know about how to talk to your NFTs by creating souls and managing souls in Ai LiLi's Discord server. If you do want to take things a step further and learn how to install Ai LiLi in your own server, I'll be talking about that now. If you're not interested in that, feel free to skip ahead to the end of the video where I'll give you a brief recap and summary of what we talked about in this video. So installing Ai LiLi in your own server gives you more room for customization, since we can set the rules as we like. For example, if you want to create a private group chat with only your closest friends and NFTs in them, the easiest way to set this up is by inviting your friends to your personal server. If you don't have a server on Discord yet, you can create one by scrolling down on the left and click this plus button. And once you go through the modal, create my own for me and my friends, and hit create, you've now created your own server. And to install Ai LiLi in your own server, you can head to Ai LiLi's landing page again at ailili.app and click on the first button. So let's do that. ailili.app. And click the first button to install Ai LiLi on Discord. Once you click on that button, you'll see a drop-down menu asking you to select the server that you want to install Ai LiLi in. So for me, I own a bunch of servers, but for you, you can just select the server that you want to install in. These are going to be the list of servers where you have admin access to. So just pick the server that you want, and Ai LiLi should be installed in there. So let's say I want to install it in JPark server that we just created, and then we're going to hit continue. And this page asks you for permissions for Ai LiLi to have in your server. So Ai LiLi does need the read messages and send messages permissions in order to read what you're saying in the chat and send you responses in your server. And it does also require the managed webhooks to work correctly for the NFTs names and avatar images to show up correctly. So we do need these permissions to function. But yeah, once you click on authorize, Ai LiLi should be installed in your server. And cool. So Ai LiLi just got installed. And once it's installed, it's going to send a welcome message to the first channel of the server that it can. And everything else is going to be the same as it is in our official Discord server. So all the NFTs that I own is going to travel here with me. So you can see that if I want to talk to Naruto in this server, it's also going to be here. So I can just use the same activate command to talk to Naruto. And there you go. So that's really it. You can invite your friends to your server, and then you can take things from there. So that wraps up our video on Ai LiLi. To recap, Ai LiLi gives personalities to your NFTs so that it allows you to chat with them on Discord. You can talk to the NFTs in your wallets or create new ones with custom personalities. In this video, we also talked about how to start talking to your NFTs using the Start channel in Ai LiLi's official server. So that's under Ai LiLi Start channel. And like we mentioned, you can use the volunteer to create new souls and talk to them. And we also talked about how to manage them using the activate, deactivate, and souls commands, and also how to DM your NFTs using the soul gallery section that we have. So in the end, we also talked about how to set up a server, like how to set up Ai LiLi your own Discord servers so that you can have group chats with NFTs in them and share the fun with your friends. I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, you can head to our landing page at ailili.app. So that's ailili.app, and you can try out Ai LiLi for yourself. If you have any questions or feedback, you can find us in our official Discord server, and we're also on Telegram and Twitter. All our socials are linked down below. That's all for this video, and we're super excited to hear from you. Thank you.